Good morning, dear friends, and all the wonderful listeners. Today, I am very happy to stand before you to share my thoughts on how to learn English. English is one of the most popular and useful languages in the world. It is spoken in many countries and used by millions of people every day. It is the language of education, business, technology, science, medicine, tourism, and international communication. Learning English is not only about speaking another language, it is about opening the door to new opportunities, new friendships, and a brighter future. Many students dream of speaking English fluently, but they often believe that it is too difficult. Some are afraid of grammar, while others worry about pronunciation. Many people feel shy because they think others will laugh at them if they make mistakes. However, we should always remember one important truth. Every expert was once a beginner. Nobody is born speaking English. Every fluent speaker learned it step by step through practice, patience, and determination. The first and most important rule is to develop a love for learning English. If we enjoy learning, it becomes much easier. Do not study English only because it is a school subject or because someone tells you to learn it. Learn English because it can improve your life. It can help you travel, make international friends, understand books and movies, study in good universities, and build a successful career. Vocabulary is the foundation of every language. Without words, we cannot express our thoughts. Therefore, try to learn at least 5 to 10 new English words every day. Write them in a notebook. Learn their meanings, pronunciation, and how they are used in sentences. Revise them regularly until they become a natural part of your vocabulary. A small daily effort can create a huge vocabulary within a year. Reading is another wonderful habit. Read simple books, newspapers, magazines, children's stories, and short articles. Do not worry if you do not understand every word. Focus on understanding the main idea. Reading improves your vocabulary, grammar, spelling, and sentence structure. It also develops your imagination and thinking skills. Listening is equally important. Listen to English speeches, podcasts, news, interviews, audiobooks, songs, and conversations. Watch English cartoons, documentaries, and movies with subtitles. Carefully notice how native speakers pronounce words, connect sentences, and express emotions. Listening every day trains your ears to understand English naturally. Speaking is the heart of language learning. Many students understand English but hesitate to speak. They fear making mistakes. Remember that mistakes are your teachers. Every mistake helps you learn something new. Speak English whenever you get the chance. Talk with your classmates, teachers, family members, or friends. If nobody is available, practice speaking in front of a mirror. Describe your room, your daily routine, your hobbies, your dreams, or your favorite book. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Writing is another powerful way to improve. Keep a diary in English. Write about your daily activities, your goals, your experiences, or your opinions. Begin with short sentences and slowly write longer paragraphs. Writing helps you organize your thoughts and improves your grammar and vocabulary. Grammar is important because it helps us make correct sentences. However, do not become afraid of grammar rules. Learn one topic at a time. Study tenses, articles, prepositions, pronouns, and sentence structures step by step. Practice with examples instead of only memorizing rules. Grammar becomes easier when you use it in speaking and writing. Pronunciation is another skill that deserves attention. Listen carefully to native speakers and repeat after them. Read English paragraphs aloud every day. Record your own voice and compare it with the original audio. Practice difficult words again and again until they become clear. Good pronunciation increases confidence and makes communication easier. Consistency is the real secret to success. Study English every single day, even if you only have 20 or 30 minutes. Regular practice is much more effective than studying for many hours only once a week. Small efforts, repeated every day, create remarkable results over time. Set realistic goals for yourself. For example, learn 10 new words today, read one English story tomorrow, listen to one motivational speech, or speak English for 10 minutes every evening. Every small achievement brings you one step closer to fluency. Technology can also help you learn English. Use educational websites, language learning apps, online dictionaries, and English videos. Read blogs, watch educational channels, and join online speaking groups. The internet provides endless opportunities to improve your English if you use it wisely. Confidence is very important. Believe in yourself. Do not compare your progress with others. Everyone learns at a different speed. Some people learn quickly, while others need more time. The important thing is to keep moving forward without giving up. A positive attitude makes learning enjoyable. Smile while learning. Celebrate every improvement. Be proud when you learn a new word, understand a difficult sentence, or speak confidently for 1 minute. Every small success is a sign that you are improving. Time management also plays an important role. Create a daily study schedule. Spend some time reading, some time listening, some time speaking, and some time writing. Balanced practice helps you improve all four language skills together. Remember that learning English is a journey. There will be challenges, but every challenge makes you stronger. Never stop because of one mistake or one difficult lesson. Continue practicing with patience and determination. Your future depends on the habits you build today. Every new word you learn, every page you read, every sentence you write, and every conversation you practice brings you closer to your dreams. One day, you will look back and realize that your small daily efforts have completely changed your life. So always keep learning, keep reading, keep listening, keep speaking, and keep writing. Never lose hope. Believe in yourself, work hard every day, and success will surely come. English is not just a language, it is a bridge to knowledge, confidence, friendship, opportunity, and success. Thank you, everyone, for listening patiently. I hope all of you will continue your English learning journey with confidence, dedication, and a positive attitude. Have a wonderful day.